Yesterday in my post, I urged traders to blur their eyes and look at the Aussie versus US dollar. While the blurring continues in trading here today, I'll go through what I mean in this video and also talk about the tacticals that are driving this currency pair for your trading tomorrow. So let's get started. Looking at this chart, I put a horizontal line right here near the 38.2% retracement. That's of the move up from this low to in April to the high price that we saw in the month of July. That 38.2 comes in at 0.63546. I also put a horizontal line across right here to outline the high of what has been lots of ups and downs in the Aussie versus US dollar trading. It's going all the way back to back here in April. Now we did move above that high area right through here when we broke above these swing levels right through here. I'll get the arrow up there. The move above that level, however, failed, and we rotated back to the downside, reestablishing the old high as a ceiling. And since then, the price has moved lower in trading last week and then higher in trading this week. Last week's low came down to the 100-day moving average. We did move a little bit below it on a couple of occasions right there, but then raced to the upside off of the employment report last Friday. In trading this week, we rotated down to a swing level right here, which was a low price from a few weeks ago that came in at 0.6452. The price bottom against that level, rotated to the upside, getting above the 100 and 200 bar moving averages in the middle to end of this week, and we've sort of consolidated around that level. And also we consolidated below this swing area right through here, which has a number of different swing highs and lows coming into play through there. So this is going to be the key level up near 0.6545 to get to and through. If we get above that level, we'll look towards 0.6594 and then the high price at 0.6625. Conversely, if we start to move back below the 100 and 200 bar moving averages, these green and blue lines right through here, then the bias will shift more to the downside again, and we'll see if we can extend further momentum that gets below the low prices that we saw earlier this week and move down toward the low price for the week, which came near the 0.6451, ultimately then getting below the 100-day moving average. So that's my messy look at the Aussie versus US dollar. You got to blur your eyes and make the best of what is a stinky market. My name is Greg Michaelowski. Good fortune with your trading. Bye-bye now.